Iraq's economic transformation. A pivotal moment approaches. For over 20 years, Iraq has been on a path toward economic reform, and now, a defining moment appears to be within reach. Those closely monitoring the country's progress recognize that significant changes are underway. Among these, Article 140, a long-anticipated policy, is on the brink of implementation. A development that could mark a crucial step toward Iraq's economic revival and stability. A step toward stability and growth. If successfully enacted, Article 140 would help restore balance in Iraq, strengthening financial institutions and laying the groundwork for essential reforms. One of the most critical aspects of this transformation is the potential increase in purchasing power for Iraqi citizens. This shift would not only improve individual livelihoods, but could also have a profound impact on the national economy, currency valuation, and overall standard of living. Recent reports highlight stabilizing oil production and more reliable energy supplies, particularly in the electricity sector. These developments suggest that deeper financial restructuring is already in motion. International financial institutions are taking notice, with banks and investors closely tracking these changes, anticipating a major shift in Iraq's financial landscape. Legislative milestones. A path forward. A key factor in this transformation is the approval of Amendment 12, a critical legislative change. If Iraq's parliament moves forward with passing this amendment, it could unlock significant budgetary adjustments, promote greater transparency, and attract substantial foreign investment. Economic analysts have long predicted these shifts, but now they seem closer than ever to becoming reality. Financial institutions across the Middle East are being briefed on Iraq's evolving policies, signaling that major investments may soon flow into the country. This growing interest from regional and international investors underscores the widespread belief that Iraq is on the verge of a major economic breakthrough. Global interest in Iraq's reforms. Iraq's financial restructuring is not an isolated event. It has the potential to send ripples through global banking and currency markets. Institutions involved in foreign exchange are paying close attention, preparing for the potential impact of Iraq's evolving policies. A major indicator of this momentum is the increased involvement of the U.S. Treasury in the region. In recent weeks, U.S. officials have ramped up diplomatic and financial discussions in Iraq, a move that strongly suggests upcoming economic reforms. Such high-level engagement points to the possibility of an imminent shift in Iraq's financial system. A strategy for long-term economic growth. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani, Iraq has been working closely with global financial organizations, including the World Bank, to advance key economic initiatives. During recent discussions with World Bank Vice President for the Middle East and North Africa, Ousmane Dione, Iraq's leadership emphasized the importance of reducing reliance on oil revenues and expanding into diverse industries. The government's primary goals include boosting private sector development, encouraging foreign direct investment, creating new employment opportunities. Initial signs suggest that Iraq's recent tax and customs reforms are already delivering positive results, setting the stage for further economic progress. Infrastructure investments. Building for the future. Iraq's commitment to economic development extends beyond policy discussions. The World Bank has pledged financial support for major infrastructure projects, including a comprehensive modernization of Iraq's railway system. This initiative could transform transportation, trade, and logistics, improving the country's economic efficiency. Additionally, significant resources are being directed toward energy and oil sector improvements, ensuring long-term stability. The International Finance Corporation, IFC, is also stepping in to finance private sector projects, further strengthening Iraq's economic foundation. A global game changer. The implications of Iraq's economic reforms reach beyond its borders. If the country continues on its current trajectory, these changes could influence global oil prices, international banking systems, and foreign investment trends. What was once a stagnant economy now has the potential to become a hub of financial growth and opportunity. With global financial institutions watching closely, investors and policymakers are preparing for what could be one of the most significant economic transformations in recent history. For those who have followed Iraq's progress over the years, this moment has been long awaited. Now, as momentum builds, the world is waiting to see how Iraq's financial evolution will unfold. The countdown to a new economic era has begun,